Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to set up a developer account in Okta. Creating an Okta developer account helps us build, test, and integrate secure authentication into our application. Let's get started. In the Okta dashboard, we go to the free trial or get started section. We just need to click this option for free. Let's choose free trial. We will set this up on the Okta platform. Next, we need to enter a valid email, select Philippines, and complete the CAPTCHA. After that, we click Start Free Trial. Once this is done, we just need to click Finish. While Okta is setting up the account, we need to confirm it through our email. Remember to use the correct email. The page will refresh and show activation. We just activate it. Now, we need to set up our password. Let's make sure to use a strong password. Type the password. Once we are done, we just click Next. We should save the information and set up verification. Here, we need to type our email to receive the setup link. Now, let's go back to our email to use the notification. We need to be verified. Next, we download Okta Verify. Now we just have to verify this option. Scan the form and wait to verify. Once verification is complete, we are now in the Okta dashboard. That's how we set up our Okta developer account. We are now ready to start building secure authentication and identity solutions for our projects.